Here that are spinning. Kind of show y'all how to get them out and lightly pry up to kind of put pressure on it. Why they use non-stainless T-nuts, but this is like in every boat. New stainless ones. You just scrounge around for some new bolts in your shop. Anyway, that's not why I'm making this video. I'm gonna show y'all how to sew up one of these seats. So it's kind of like a puzzle. You have to know what you're sewing up first. Basically, we'll sew this side piece to this. It'll sew and curve around here, and then we'll be able to sew this one around here, and can sew this one. You don't have to sew anything up first for this one. So that's the simplest part. It gets a little more complicated on this smaller piece. Sew these two together first before we sew on the blue piece, but we can't sew it all the way because we have to sew this piece to this piece first so we can make that curve. So basically we'll just sew this probably up to this point, and then sew the blue piece on, and then sew these two together, and then sew these two to these three, and then we'll be able to finish up this blue piece. Not really an easy way to say it, so I'll kind of show you. Here at the end, got that curve, and now we can sew this side piece on. Have to have steady hands. Nothing worse than a wavy top stitch. You want your top stitch to just be straight all the way through. You just got to take your time with it if you're starting out. Roughly. First thing, we'll need to sew this one together. And now we can sew on the small blue side. So we can sew on this other. Now we can sew this to this and finish the edge all the way around. Up. Yep. We can finish it off by sewing this piece back all the way around. Smaller section. Need to sew this strip to this strip. There we go. You basically staple on the seam, which I guess we could go ahead and do. I was just going to do a sewing video, but then you'll mark seam up to the edge here. Pull it tight. Work around. If it's loose, you'll see all types of wrinkles where this pull is. Not necessary, but it just gives it a cleaner look. Even though I pulled it real tight, you still have these wrinkles here, which hopefully we can work out. Put it in there. On each end. The reason why I showed how to do this one is because I've seen people struggle with this type of seat. It's just, it may not look like it, but it really gives people a hard time. So hopefully you kind of got some insight. Loaded down, ready to go. Got the big one out of the way. All right, so we got the seats in. Got some wiring to do. 2 of these jewels. I forgot, I gotta finish up screwing this door in. Man, I sound like SpongeBob. In that one episode where he's in Sandy's dome and he doesn't have water. I don't have a wrench, unfortunately. I'll have to hand tighten these. And by hand tighten, I mean holding up while I screw it in. We're almost there. There it is, everybody. Some blood and a whole lot of sweat went into this one. Now I'm gonna call it. What's up, big boy? What you got?
A medal for you.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. 3rd place.
I'm gonna put it on you. And I'm gonna put one on me.
Yeah, I can get the blower.
The blower for me to do it?
Yeah, you want to do the blower?
Yeah, I want to do the blower all by myself.
Yeah, let me finish up right here. We'll get the blower out. Sound good?
And I will do. This is so heavy, Daddy.
Whoa, press this in. Well, we got the back done, or we got the front done. Time for the back.
Yeah, Rebel.
Dump it out for me. Not right here. Not right here. Not right here.
Why?
Go to the fig tree and dump it out.
The fig tree, okay? Oh, I can't do it.
Here, I'll help you. All right, lift her up. Hold it by this handle right here.
Okay.
Ready? Pick it up. Good job. See? You're strong.
I knew I could do it.
Yep.
Oh, and can you find me a fig?
Yeah, we can get a fig.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to dump it out.
Good
Oh,
job.
this is a big pile.
Yep. Spread it out. Use it as mulch. This one might be a good one.
Okay.
Just take a...
Mm.
Yum. That's It's a good looking fig. Oh, were you making a potion?
Oh,
Is that fig soup? That looks nasty. All right, buddy, I really need to cut this grass before it starts raining. My wife got me this electrolyte drink, and I'm feeling rejuvenated. Bath time. Brush your little teethies. Wow, look, everybody's clean. Been a long day, buddy.